Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into the essential vocabulary for presentations. Whether you're preparing for a corporate pitch, academic lecture, or public speech, mastering these terms will elevate your communication skills and leave a lasting impression. Let's get started. Every great presentation starts with a powerful introduction. Here are some key terms and phrases to help you captivate your audience right from the start. Opening statement: the initial remarks to capture attention. Example: good morning, everyone. Today, I have the pleasure of discussing innovative solutions in renewable energy. Thesis statement: a concise summary of the main point or claim. Example: the central thesis of my presentation is that renewable energy can significantly reduce global carbon emissions. Hook: a compelling opening designed to grab attention. Example: imagine a world where energy is clean, abundant, and affordable for all. This vision is closer than you think. Salutation: a formal greeting to the audience. Example: distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, and ladies and gentlemen, welcome. A well-organized presentation keeps the audience engaged and ensures clarity. Here are some essential terms for structuring your presentation. Outline: a structured framework of main points and subpoints. Example: today's presentation is divided into 3 main sections: problem identification, solution proposals, and implementation strategies. Segmentation: breaking down content into manageable parts. Example: for clarity, I've segmented our discussion into 3 phases. Transition: a phrase or sentence that smoothly connects different parts of the presentation. Example: having discussed the challenges, let's now explore the potential solutions. Subheading: secondary headings that organize content within each section. Example: under the main heading of solutions, we have subheadings like technology, policy, and funding. Mastering various presentation techniques can make your delivery more effective and engaging. Here are some advanced terms and their applications. Elocution: the art of clear and expressive speech. Example: her elocution was impeccable, making every point resonate with the audience. Cadence: the rhythmic flow of a sequence of sounds or words. Example: his speech had a captivating cadence that held the audience's attention. Gesticulations: animated or expressive gestures. Example: his gesticulations emphasized key points, adding a dynamic element to his presentation. Modulation: variation in pitch and tone to maintain interest. Example: she used modulation effectively to highlight the importance of different sections. Visual aids and multimedia can significantly enhance your presentation. Here are some terms related to using these tools effectively. Slide deck: a collection of slides used in a presentation. Example: please refer to slide 5 in your slide deck. Infographic: a visual representation of information or data. Example: the infographic on this slide illustrates our market growth over the past 5 years. Multimedia: the combined use of several media, such as text, images, and sound. Example: we'll use multimedia to showcase our latest project, including videos and interactive charts. Animation: the process of creating motion and shape change. Example: the animation on this slide demonstrates the process flow clearly. Engaging the audience is crucial for a successful presentation. Here are some techniques and terms to involve your audience. Rhetorical question: a question asked to create a dramatic effect rather than to get an answer. Example: what if we could reduce emissions by 50% within the next decade? Interactive polling: using technology to gather audience responses in real time. Example: let's use an interactive poll to see what you think about this initiative. Call to action: a statement designed to prompt an immediate response or encourage an audience to take specific action. Example: join us in making a difference by supporting our clean energy project. Anecdote: a short, entertaining story about a real incident or person. Example: let me share an anecdote about a small community that transformed its energy consumption. Handling questions and answers effectively can reinforce your credibility and knowledge. Here are some key terms and strategies. Q&A session: a period during which the audience can ask questions. Example: we'll have a Q&A session at the end of the presentation. Clarification: providing a clearer or more detailed explanation. Example: Let me clarify that point further for better understanding. Paraphrasing. Restating the question to ensure understanding and provide a thoughtful response. Example. So, you're asking how this technology will impact our current operations? Deflection. Politely steering a question to a later time or different context if you need more information. Example. That's a great question. I'll need to gather more data to give you a detailed answer. A strong conclusion leaves a lasting impression. Here are some terms and phrases to effectively close your presentation. Summary. A brief statement of the main points. Example. To summarize, we've discussed the challenges, solutions, and implementation strategies for renewable energy. Concluding statement. A final thought or statement to end the presentation. Example. In conclusion, it's clear that our efforts in renewable energy are crucial for a sustainable future. Appreciation. Thanking the audience for their time and attention. Example. Thank you all for your attention and participation. Final call to action. Encouraging the audience to take specific steps following the presentation. Example. I urge you to take these insights back to your teams and start making changes today. Understanding and using the right vocabulary and presentations can greatly enhance your communication and professionalism. We hope this video has equipped you with the essential terms you need to deliver compelling and effective presentations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more informative content. See you in the next video.